What's up, Tech Press? Today I'm going to be showing you in a very easy way how to get started. Everything you need to know about how to do Snapchat advertising. This is your ultimate beginner guide for the 2025. So first of all, why you want to advertise into Snapchat? I mean, if you don't know how to do this and why you should do it, well, Snapchat is boost a massive and highly engaged user base. If you don't know, we have in a Snapchat for Business that can help you to reach more audience through Snapchat. So advertising on Snapchat allows you to reach a unique audience that might be less active on other platforms. This leverage creativity and interactive ads formats that capture attention, drive brand awareness, and benefits from powerful targeting options based on demographics, interests, and behaviors, as we just said before with Meta ads and Google ads. So to understand the Snapchat ad formats, Snapchat offers a variety of engaging ad formats. You can go directly into forbusiness.snapchat.com. Basically, the formats are single image or usually more immersive full screen video ads. So they can be calls to action like swipe up, to visit a website, or to install an application. You can do story ads, you can do collection ads, you can do lens ad, AR experiences, you can do filters, and you can do commercials, non-skippable video ads, for example. So to get started and to set up a Snapchat account, the very first thing I wanted to do is to have an actual Snapchat ad account. Now first, I'm going to go to business.snapchat.com. I'm going to hit into the option of the upper right side that says get started. Here into get started, what I want to be doing here is to choose an email as well as creating an actual passcode. If you already have an actual Snapchat account, I control is just to sign in if you're going to be using that account for business purposes only. If you're going to be using a Snapchat account for creator community stuff, I believe it's going to be best for you to generate a new email account or to use another account for managing the business of a Snapchat ad. So I'm going to reload the page and I'm going to be adding all my information about myself, adding all the information about my account and my business information. So go for creating your account. And you have your profile picture. You can add it so in here. You can add a bio if you wanted to, and you can add so much more stuff. So first of all, I'm going to be choosing this logo. I'm going to go for OK. If you wanted to, you can add a bio like so and go for confirm. Lastly, it's going to be asking you to enter information about your business details, the country you're going to be making some ads, and the currency they're going to be working on. It's going to be really important that you choose exactly the same country that you're living into. Otherwise, it just won't let you start making some ads because you're going to be adding credit card information and your business information in order to build campaigns and all of that. Now that we are inside the Snapchat ads, once you have your account set it up, you have the campaigns manager. This is the actual campaign manager that is going to be helping you to check out where you can create, manage, and track your ad campaigns. You can have the creative library that you can see here into your ads. Here, the creative library basically is where you upload and manage all your images, all your videos, all the stuff you're going to be using for it. And you have the audience manager, which is appears here into the assets view, basically where you define and save your target audiences, and you have the reporting elements of the analyzing, where you can define and save your target audiences, and you can analyze the performance of your campaigns and all of that. So let's get started and just do a really simple first campaign. The first thing to do is to go into my campaign manager, choose the option that says create some ads. In here, you're going to be choosing the objective. Each objective can be sending for specific details, for example, an app promotion, leads, traffic, awareness, and engagement. I'm going to try for the first thing for awareness and engagement, and I'm going to be choosing a manual build. Now, if you don't know how you can personalize a campaign, you can do an automatic clear campaigns, but I can strongly suggest you to try out with a manual build so you can customize what you're actually trying to look for with the Snapchat ads. Now here, I'm going to be creating when the ad should be starting, let's say next Friday. And I don't want her to set an end date because I wanted to constantly have this active ad, and then I can just start checking out the audience and all of this. Now, let's go and tell, for example, how much have a lifetime spent cap. Let's say I wanted to spend more than $100. Really important in my case. Now, if you want to promote some more places, for example, into just in a specific single paste, you can do it. So in my case, I just won't do it. The second thing is to now get started with the ad set details. Here, I'm going to be choosing a template for my ad set name. And here you can choose, for example, it's not Pexel. Pexels helps you measure the cross-devices impact of your campaigns. This is going to be analyzing the actions of all the people who are going to be taking control of their website, clicking all of it. I'm going to disable both of them. This is not important for me right now. My goal here is to maximize numbers of impressions. My bid is auto. For example, I wanted to have best effort to spend my budget. And my budget should be no more than $100. So my bucket should be $100, no more than that. This is where it's going to be starting, and now I'm going to go all the placements. Here into the placements, you can go for full inventory, and the locations you can just focus where you're going to be locating. In this case, let's say for example, I want to focus with the United States. Only these two of them. Then, if you wanted to focus into in a specific ages, you can do it. So in my case, let's go for ages from 13 to 30. All the genders, people who speak only English. And what's going to happen if you focus here into the right section, you can see that we have an ad set estimates. We have a little bit less. But based on all the results, I'm going to be having all this reach and all these impressions, which I think is going to be really great because I don't want to focus with a really broad audience. I want to focus with a specific audience. Now that you finish all of this, the devices go into the option that says next. And lastly, you have the last ad set, which you can add your own background, you can add your own logo, you have you adding your own information in here. And lastly, go for the option that says review and published. This will be with this, you could be now focusing into checking out how it's going to be looking your ad. When you hit into review and publish, you might be seeing that you have a few elements that you needed to review before publishing it. After you have done this process, the last thing to do is to add your business address as well as some payment details in order for making this live. Lastly, what you need to do is that when your ad should be running, you can go directly into manage some ads. So you can check out how much amount you have spent, how much impressions you had so far, clicks, click rates, second view videos. I can suggest you that if you wanted to make some changes, the best thing to do is just to wait for the first 1-2 weeks after you have finished with this process. Then you can focus into making some changes. For example, demography, you can change this, your creative image or video, and so basically that's how you can actually get started creating some ad creatives here inside your actual Snapchat. So make sure that you once everything is set up, keep a close eye on your campaign performance into the reporting section of the Ads Manager. So that's it, the beginner guide how to get started with Snapchat ads. It might be seeing a lot at first, but with some practice you can effectively reach a valuable audience and achieve your marketing goals. So have you experimented with the Snapchat ads? You can let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to TechExpress for more social media marketing tutorials. And thank you so much for watching, guys. See you soon.